he will understand that you are Brahma, you are spirit soul, you are not this body. Just like the animals, they cannot understand what he is. He identifies himself with this body. But a human being should not identify himself with this body. That is ignorance. Jasat buddhi kunape tudhatuke. If anyone identifies himself with this body, then he is said according to the Vedic version, is an ass. Saiva go khara. Khara means ass. Animal is there. It does not know what is. The human form of life, there should be inquiry. What am I this body? This is called meditation. Think over whether I am this body or I am something else. The whole self-realization process depends on this question. What I am. But that understanding cannot be achieved unless you purify your existence. Therefore, you accept any process of self-realization. There are, in the beginning, the karma process, fruitive activities, offering sacrifices, performing great sacrifices. And then, out of many thousands of such karmis, one jnani, a person, wise man, who understands that I am not this body, my interest is something, I am spirit soul. He is called jnani, or wise man. Then out of many thousands of jnanis, one becomes mukta, simply to understand that I am not this body, I am Brahma. This is not sufficient. You must be situated in actual platform of Brahma. That is described in the Bhagavad Gita, Brahma bhuta prasannatma, nasotati nakankati, samas sarveshu bhutesu madbhakti labhati param. After self-realization, there are activities. What are those activities? Mad bhakti labhate param. That is devotional service. The devotional service begins from the stage of liberation. When one is freed from the concept of bodily life, from this wrong concept that I am this body. That is the beginning of Bhagavad Gita. Teachings of Bhagavad Gita begins from that. Krishna wanted to teach Arjuna in the beginning, first of all, that you are not this body. He was talking with Krishna. Krishna was asking him to fight, and he was placing so many pleas that if I fight, my family will die, and these women will be widows, they will be polluted. So many arguments he placed. That means Arjuna was identifying himself with this body. And Krishna, when Arjuna submitted to Krishna, that I am now puzzled, bewildered. I cannot understand what is my duty at the present moment. Therefore, I am submitting unto you, Shishyatya. I become your disciple. Sadhimam prapannam. I am surrendered unto you. You please instruct. So, because they were talking like friends in the beginning, so argument like friends talking, that cannot give any conclusion. Here is the Vedic process. Just like Arjuna says that Shadiman Prapanna, Shishyasya, I become your Shishya. Shishya means disciple. That means whatever disciplinary action you will ask me to follow, I shall do it. This is called Shishya. The word Shishya comes from the word, Sanskrit word, Sasna, means to rule over. Sasna. So ruling by instruction, ruling by laws, and ruling by force, weapons. There are three kinds of ruling. If instruction fails, then evidences from law books. And when that also fails, then force. That is the whole arrangement everywhere. The instruction is that you should not steal. But if you violate, then according to law, you are arrested. If you still violate, then you are punished in so many ways by force. As this is going on in our ordinary life, the same thing is going on by God's will also. The kingdom of God, here is also kingdom of God, and there is another spiritual side that is also kingdom of God. So here, all living entities, we are condemned. We are under force. Prakitakryamanani gunaikarmani sarva. We have disobeyed the laws of God, therefore we have been put into this material world to abide by the laws of God by force. By force. You have to. Nobody wants to die, but you have to die. You cannot avoid. Nobody wants to be diseased, or you have to become diseased. Nobody wants to be old, or you have to become old. Force. This is going on. Like the fool's paradise, we are thinking we are happy. We are making progress. What progress we are making? Have you surpassed the laws of birth, death, old age and disease? No, sir. Then what progress you have made? So this is not right. But if you want really a release from these four principles of material